already explained. Now, fourth pranayam is Anulom Vilom. What is Anulom Vilom? Rule is close the right nostril, inhale from left, close the left, then exhale from right. Again, inhale from right only, then close right, exhale from left. Inhale from left, close left, exhale from right. Again, inhale from right, close right, exhale from left. So this way, inhale expanding the chest, exhale emptying the stomach. This is the rule of the pranayama. Start from left and after 15 minutes end with left only. This is the rule also. Now this pranayam you can do in Vishnu Pran Mudra also. In Vishnu Pran Mudra, these two fingers will be together and it will be touching your third eye. Then again start doing Anulom Vilom. So this is the way you can do Anulom Vilom in Vishnu Pran Mudra. If you do in Vishnu Pran Mudra, it gives more advantages, benefits will be slightly more. Now, how Anulom Vilom helps us? So what we are doing here, we are inhaling from left. So we are trying to pump more air in left lungs. Then we are closing it. Then exhaling from right. So less air entered right lungs. Then again we will inhale from right only. So more air will go to right lungs. So once we are putting more air in left lungs, once we are putting more air in right lungs, so you are basically trying to mix. The function of lungs is to extract oxygen from air and mix it in blood. So what you are doing, you are mixing oxygen in blood, once more from left, once more from right, again from left more, again from right more. So basically you are creating a pulsating wave of mixing of oxygen in the blood. So now this blood goes throughout your body. So wherever, so now with Anulom Vilom, my blood becomes a pulsating wave oxygen blood. So wherever there is blockage in your body, suppose somebody are having gathia, goiter, घुटने का दर्द. So here again if any blockage is there, it will try to push because it is pulsating, vibrating oxygen blood. So it will try to clean the internal of your artery, nerves and veins, and slowly again, why it is told 15 minutes continuously Anulom Vilom has to be done. The reason is, again it takes 3 minutes to start effective cleansing in the blockage area. So slowly throughout your body, wherever blockage is there, all will slowly vanish. So even in this your nervous system, any blockage is there, that will also go. So how it is benefiting us, what are the diseases will go if you do every day 15 minutes continuously anulom vilom. I will come from top. So in brain, in nervous system, what are the problems we started facing? Headache, it will never come. Migraine, extreme of headache, it will never come. Slowly, the migraine patients, if they do continuously anulom vilom, slowly their migraine will vanish. It's a magic, but it takes time. Only you have to do it daily without fail. So migraine will go, headaches will go, then old age problems like Parkinson's will not come, Alzheimer will not come, insomnia will never be there. You will be always having a deep sleep. When you, those who are doing pranayam, go to bed and immediately they become गायब हो जाता है, वो साथ ही साथ नींद आ जाती है, गहरी नींद आ जाती है, डीप स्लीप कम्स. सो brain related all problems will go. Then your anywhere pain in the body will not be happening, because all your artery nerves veins will be cleaned. So see, what is pain? Pain is basically partial blockage of some artery nerves and veins in that area. This